And a Bellini is a very popular drink in northern Italy, actually all over Italy now. And it's made with Prosecco, a white sparkling wine, and white peaches. And today I'm going to do a version of the Bellini as a dessert. So we want to start with peaches, of course. So here we have white peaches that I've cut up and just put in a little bit of lemon juice so that they didn't turn color. So you want to do that ahead of time. Then you want to prepare your glasses, because this makes a very nice presentation. So I get out really beautiful looking stemware and a bowl of water. And then I just take the rim of the glass and dip it in some coarse sugar. You can find coarse sugar in your grocery store. You see how pretty that is. I'll do that one more time. So in a bowl of just plain water, you want to dip those rims and then coat it in the sugar. Make sure you're using coarse sugar now for this. Once you do that, you take them, and I would do 4 if I were you, in the fridge. Now you can do that several hours ahead of time. Why am I putting those in the fridge? Well, because I want the drink to be cold, number one, but secondly, I want that sugar to really stick on the glasses. So do that ahead of time. Then you get yourself some mascarpone cheese. Here's a cup of mascarpone. That is a full-fat cheese from Lombardia that Italians like to use in a lot of desserts. You've probably had it in tiramisu. So a cup of the mascarpone, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and now we just want to beat that up. So with a hand mixer, just get it all mixed up. Make sure that it is at room temperature when you do this. Okay, so you put that aside with the addition of some amaretti cookies. So we're just going to fold in some amaretti cookies. So you get this all mixed up. Gives that a nice little texture, and we're going to set that aside. Okay, that's done. Then you cut up 2 really ripe white peaches, and you want to pulverize them. So I do that with a wand. Make them really smooth. You really want those to be soft because they will mash up much easier. We need a spoon. And we're going to take some of these peaches. Remember, they're nice and ripe. You put them right in the base of the glass. Now, the recipe I'm giving you, of course, serves 4, so I'm not going to use all of these peaches. Now we have that. Now what we need is the Prosecco part. So we put that in. Isn't that gorgeous? With our pureed peaches. And you just mix that around just to combine it. Mix it around just to combine it. Make sure it's really well mixed. I do this in a spouted container because then it's easy to get it into the glass. And you do this just before you're ready to serve this. You pour it over the top, just like that. Now it's fine to have just like this, but why not gild the lily just a little bit more? So then you take some of that mascarpone, just a little dab, and you put it right over the top. And if you have a few little mint sprigs, that's nice too. So, one for you and one for me.